Right now, just thinking about nails on a chalkboard probably gave you goosebumps. But I bet you didn't know that your body is trying to make your non-existent fur stand up. An ancient survival mechanism from when humans were covered in hair and needed to look bigger and more threatening. Let's uncover the surprising science behind why your skin still reacts like you're a furry animal in danger. When our furry ancestors felt threatened, cold, or excited, tiny muscles called arrector pili would contract to make their hair stand upright. This served two crucial purposes: making them appear larger and more intimidating to predators or rivals, and creating air pockets for better insulation against cold. A perfect example of evolutionary adaptation that outlasted its original purpose. Every hair follicle on your body has a tiny muscle attached to it. When your sympathetic nervous system detects a trigger, whether it's cold, fear, excitement, or even beautiful music, it releases norepinephrine, causing these muscles to contract simultaneously across your skin. This creates the characteristic bumpy texture as hair follicles get pulled upright. The process happens within seconds and is completely involuntary. You can't consciously control or stop it, just like you can't control your heartbeat during exercise. Research from Harvard Medical School has shown that this response involves the same fight or flight pathways that prepare your body for action, which explains why goosebumps often accompany moments of high emotion or perceived threat. Scientists have discovered two distinct types of goosebumps with different triggers and brain pathways. Physical goosebumps result from cold temperatures or sudden fears, straightforward survival responses that make perfect evolutionary sense. But emotional goosebumps from music, movies, or inspiring moments involve more complex brain circuits. Neuroimaging studies show these activate reward centers and release dopamine, the same neurotransmitter involved in pleasure and addiction. The emotional type often occurs during moments of elevation, when we witness acts of kindness, experience beautiful art, or feel profound connection. This suggests goosebumps may have evolved to reinforce social bonding and group cohesion. Not everyone experiences goosebumps equally. Research from Wesleyan University found that people who get frequent musical goosebumps tend to score higher on personality traits like openness to experience and emotional intelligence. There also appear to be genetic factors. Some people have more sensitive arrector pili muscles, or stronger connections between emotional processing centers and the sympathetic nervous system. Age matters too, with children and teenagers typically experiencing more frequent goosebumps than adults. While we no longer need goosebumps for temperature regulation or threat display, they still serve important functions. The response appears to enhance memory formation. Moments that give you goosebumps are more likely to be remembered vividly years later. Goosebumps also signal emotional significance to others, creating shared experiences that strengthen social bonds. When someone describes getting goosebumps from a speech or performance, it communicates the profound impact that moment had on them. So the next time you get goosebumps from a beautiful song or thrilling movie, remember that you're experiencing an ancient survival mechanism. Your body's attempt to transform you into a larger, more impressive version of your furry ancestors. If you found this look into your body's evolutionary history fascinating, hit subscribe for more videos revealing the surprising science behind everyday experiences.